Hello, IG Garage family. Is your air conditioning acting up and your scanner shows the code P0532 AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit low? This might be why your cabin feels hotter than it should. Don't worry. In today's video, I'll explain what this code means, pinpoint the sensor location, and give you step-by-step guidance to fix it. Plus, stay till the end for 2 video recommendations to keep your car in tip-top shape. Alright, let's dive in. What does P0532 mean? The P0532 code indicates that the AC refrigerant pressure sensor is reporting a pressure reading lower than expected. This could disrupt the air conditioning system and might even prevent it from operating. So, what are the symptoms of P0532? 1. AC not cooling the cabin properly or not working at all. 1. Check engine light illuminated. 1. Unusual noises from the AC system. Now let's talk about the causes of P0532. 1. Faulty AC refrigerant pressure sensor. 1. Low refrigerant levels due to leaks in the system. 1. Damaged or corroded sensor wiring or connectors. 1. Faulty AC compressor or control module. Next up, the sensor location. The AC refrigerant pressure sensor is usually mounted on the high pressure side of the AC system, often located near the condenser or along the refrigerant lines under the hood. In many vehicles, it's attached to the receiver dryer. Check your vehicle's service manual for precise details. Now, how do you diagnose and fix P0532? 1. Inspect the sensor and wiring. Check the sensor for visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Repair or replace the sensor if necessary. 1. Check refrigerant levels. Use a pressure gauge to determine if the system has enough refrigerant. Low levels might indicate a leak, which must be repaired before refilling. 1. Test the sensor output. Use a multimeter to measure the sensor's voltage. If it's out of range, replace the sensor. 1. Inspect for leaks. Look for refrigerant leaks using UV dye or an electronic leak detector. Repair any leaks before refilling the refrigerant. 1. Check the AC compressor. If the compressor isn't functioning correctly, it could cause pressure issues. Replace or repair the compressor if needed. 1. Clear the code. After making repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and verify that the issue is resolved. And that's how you tackle the P0532 AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit, low code. Whether it's low refrigerant or a faulty sensor, diagnosing the problem promptly can save you time and money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car tips and troubleshooting guides. Before you go, check out these 2 related videos. P0533, AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit high. P0020, intake, camshaft position actuator circuit open, bank 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on IG Garage.